Hi, Cookie. And today I'm going to be opening a My Cash Register. I already opened half of it when I wasn't recording. So today I'm going to be opening it, the rest of it. So basically, I have the cash register, the coins, the key, and the money. So all I have to do now is get these little groceries from here, guys. So with that said, let's do it. This is just like home. This is just like the store cash register. So I know it's gonna be fun. We're gonna be doing a couple of shows with it. So here's our groceries. What do we have? We have this little grocery basket. We have a juice carton, some juice, some milk,
What you
canned
these
milk,
straight edges on here like that?
some
Just ain't nothing wrong with that. What you complaining about?
biscuits, and some dairy milk. And I also have some more items to go in this little basket here. So let's get started.
Well, see, once you can pull it up like that right there, you'll have one be as long. But I like it.
Then come help me take this stuff downstairs.
You need some earrings, you be real cute.
Come
Your
help.
face look brighter when you get your hair done.
Come help me take this stuff downstairs.
Okay, cause I told that girl I said I don't want to break something that you be showing in there.
So guys, we're gonna
She get my light blue veins.
get some stuff. So gotta take the stuff downstairs so we can get everything situated and now we get the items
You
done.
want the groceries too?
Yeah, take the groceries and stuff
Oh, okay.
to be in a better shape. And wait, I'm gonna get like some more groceries
For cops.
and stuff to go with.
So how many you got for cops? Is that including me or you just? So you already got 4 for college. And you need some more college?
So guys,
Well, that's true too.
I'll get back with you